Inventory reconciliation. Inventory refers to current assets held for sale, goods currently in production, or materials and supplies used to create products or services. Depending on a company's accounting system, physical inventory counts are handled differently. 1. Periodic system. Counts are typically done at the end of the accounting period. 2. Perpetual system. If records are well maintained, counts can be done at various times throughout the year. Interim dates. Core reconciliation procedures. To ensure inventory records are accurate, accountants and auditors perform several key steps. 1. Match physical to financial records. Compare the physical inventory count to both the perpetual inventory logs and the general ledger totals. 2. Review cut-off documents. Check shipping and receiving documents, like bills of lading and warehouse records, from immediately before and after the year-end. Match these to the accounting records to ensure transactions were recorded in the correct period. 3. Verify third-party inventory. Confirm the existence of any company-owned inventory held by outside parties, such as transporters, warehouse, or job work vendors. 4. Segregate consignment goods. Ensure that any goods received on consignment, owned by another company but held at your facility, are kept entirely separate from your own inventory records. Valuation, aging, and condition. Inventory must be evaluated to ensure it is accurately priced and still holds value. 1. Create an aging schedule. Break down the inventory by age brackets, example under 30 days, 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, 90 to 180 days, 180 to 365 days, and over 1 year. 2. Identify obsolete, damaged goods. Follow up on any items that were flagged as damaged or obsolete during the physical count. 3. Verify costs. Compare the recorded cost of the inventory against current replacement costs and recent vendor price lists to ensure the inventory isn't overvalued on the books. Analytical procedures. To spot trends or inconsistencies, professionals use high-level analytical checks. 1. Inventory turnover ratio. Calculate this by dividing the cost of goods sold, COGS, by the average inventory. A significantly low ratio is often a red flag for obsolete or slow-moving stock. 2. Vertical analysis. Calculate inventory as a percentage of total assets. 3. Comparative analysis. Compare current inventory figures and ratios against industry averages, prior years, trend data, and budgetary expectations to ensure the numbers make sense.